Well, I was watching TV last night, and right after the news came on in Lexington, there was first a commercial with, uh, is it J.J. Walker? Is that who that is? And then there was an old Alabama Crimson Tide football player came on with basically the same commercial right following it, and that's Joe Namath. Can you address those two commercials and how they would impact our Medicare eligible health plan and the folks participating?
I can do that, Gary. No disrespect meant to these American icons. You know, I remember the Joe Namath commercials where he was wearing the pantyhose, and I grew up with J.J. Walker. So no disrespect. The retired teachers of Kentucky already have coverage outside of original Medicare. And so it's confusing to them when they see commercials like this. Both of the commercials refer to what is known as, Joe Namath calls it the give back benefit, and J.J. Walker also calls it the give back benefit. They call it the Medicare give back benefit or the Social Security give back benefit. What that really means, and that is only available to those retirees inside certain federal poverty levels, which does not apply to most retired teachers in Kentucky. So that's a little misleading because very few, if any of you, would actually meet the requirements necessary for the give back benefit. And the give back benefit, what it does is help you pay your Medicare Part B as in boy premiums. Medicare also does not allow, and so this is a Medicare rule. I know a lot of our retirees think this is a TRS rule, but Medicare itself will not allow you to have two Medicare Advantage plans. Medicare itself will not allow you to have two Medicare Part D drug plans. So those are Medicare rules. So if a retired teacher sees one of these commercials and signs up for that program, unfortunately, it will terminate their program through TRS of Kentucky. And then Grace Dotson and so much of my staff spend a ton of time trying to help our retirees get back on the coverage through Teachers Retirement System of Kentucky. So we can help retired teachers who sign up for this by accident or don't understand that it will terminate their coverage with us. But it can be quite permanent or final if we've got a spouse of a retired teacher that signs up for one of these programs. So these plans can be appealing to spouses of retirees who pay the full premium with TRS. But if you are sick and really need health coverage, the TRS medical coverage and prescription coverage are a better value. If a spouse leaves the TRS Medicare eligible health plan, then there may be no qualifying event that allows them to come back on the TRS Medicare eligible health plan. So be careful, as your spousal decision may be permanent, could be final. But again, I'm just smiling because my husband, he laughs at me every time one of these commercials comes on because he just sees me grit my teeth because I just know how hard Grace and my staff have to work to straighten this out when folks sign up for two Medicare Advantage plans and two Medicare Part D drug plans.
Jane, thank you so much for all you do. I know the retired teachers out there certainly appreciate your efforts. And I know that the folks at the Know Your RX Coalition enjoy working with you, and you've done great work for the retired teachers, and thank you again so much.
Thank you so much, Gary. Thank you for the opportunity and the pleasure.